All right, let's renovate this kitchen. We got some kitchen counters to make. We got a little bit more in this space down in here that we have to put in. So let me show you how to make a kitchen counter. So there's two parts to a kitchen counter. One is the counter itself. This spot down here, that's 2 feet wide, but underneath, which is hard to see in this orientation, is the cabinet itself. So two parts to a kitchen counter setup: the cabinets underneath and the counter. The counter, all kitchen counters are 2 feet wide. Those against the wall, not like a peninsula or an island. 2 feet are two little 1/4 inches like that. And we mark our line and we cut it with scissors. I already marked my line. So that is a 2 foot, and I'm using that thick paper. Use that nice thick paper. All right, so there's a countertop. All right, for the cabinets underneath, use some styrofoam. The cabinets are 3 feet high, so that's 3/4 inches. We got 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put a mark there, and then again, we're gonna do it a second time. 1, 2, 3. I'll show you why in a minute. So 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 is 3 feet. I'm going to use that block of wood that we've been using to mark a 90-degree line. 90-degree line. And a 90-degree line. Super duper. We got our sharp knife. And we're going to cut that line. And we're going to cut that line. This second line that I just cut, I'm going to snap, flip it over, and cut it off here. All right. The other one, I'm going to snap, and I'm going to glue that together, and that's going to be my cabinet for underneath. All right, so I'm going to put a little wood glue in there. Elmer's glue, not wood glue, but just Elmer's glue. You don't need much at all. Squeeze it together, ta-da, and that's a kitchen cabinet. All right, and what I would do if it was mine is I'd make it look nice. I'd make it look nice, and so I would just take a magic marker and go ahead and put like little drawers up here. Put a handle on there. That's a drawer. Put some silverware in there. This will be the junk drawer. Scissors, tape, that kind of stuff. Rubber bands, paper clips, whatever goes in a junk drawer. I don't know. So make it look nice. Doesn't take long. And then when you look at your project, oh, that's gonna be one of those big drawers. Pots and pans go in that baby. All right. So in the end, it kind of looks cool. So there's your underneath bit. Here is your countertop bit to hook this on. All we need is a little bit of glue on the back because it'll glue right to the wall. And that's going to go right in here. I'm just demonstrating. It's supposed to stop there, but I'm going to redesign, decide to make it a little bit longer. It's not exact, but we have that there. This counter is going on top here, like so. So I'm going to cut it right here. 90 degrees, and on the other side I'm going to cut it at a little bit of an angle. It would be nice to make this totally perfect, but at the time in our video I'm just going to put a little glue right here, a little glue on top of the paper, just a little bit, set that in. I didn't draw anything there because on this part I already drew my stove, and over here I have my sink of some dirty pots and pans. So that's just going to be a counter. All right. And I guess in theory I want another counter coming out there, but that is the basic of how to do a kitchen cabinet.